Welcome to Ayers Uluru, where the local time is 1:26 p.m. Firstly, Jetstar would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the local lands, the Uluru people. We'd also like to pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on the tarmac or inside the terminal building. Before heading on, please double check that you have everything with you, as this aircraft will be returning to Sydney. Please be careful when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved which could fall out, causing injury to yourself or a fellow traveller. Please take any face masks or wipes, whether used or unused,